Yes, hello everyone, good afternoon everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. I have another video. I'm doing this little bird house. I'm gonna create it and I'm gonna paint it with acrylic paint. Really good. And it has light brown and brown dark. I use newspaper so I don't paint at the table. Use those little things. It's a bottle of plastic, a bottle of water. They recycle, so you can cut it in half and use it for paint. So you can paint anything. So it's easy to throw it out and to wash it. So let's go start it. Show you. You can please subscribe my channel, comment in the videos. I got more videos coming in, so please subscribe if you like and comment on notification and follow my channel. I use those little brush. This is easy way to do it. You can get those in the art store, those brush, sponge. You can get those dollar store, Dollar General, Walmart, any art store too. You get a lot of more stuff. It's cheaper. Buy those things for $1. It'll be great. I'm gonna create this little house bird. It's from my yard. So first, continue painting. I need some more paint. And this side. This here, I gotta let them dry. And I'm gonna create a beautiful little bird house with diamonds, glitter, all kind of stuff I can do. You guys can do that home too, so follow my channel. People say, why you use newspaper or piece of board? It's because I don't paint the table and I don't get a lot of mess. See? This is so you gotta let them dry so I can do this color in this side. See a little bit. So now we're gonna use the light brown paint acrylic. It's going in all this side around. So we continue painting. It's easy this way. I'm gonna create this little birdhouse beautiful. Follow, subscribe my channel and hit the bell. Comment, you can share my video with anyone. No problem. Make this beautiful house. I normally know I'm not gonna paint this because that's the one that stand little bird. So I'll leave it like that. It's okay. Pretty finished. Here all the side around. So the little house bird is already almost dry. The paint acrylic, brown dark and light and brown light. So we're gonna use those little thing. We call them metallic beach. So I can create it in the roof in the house. and those diamond wrap rubber scintillant. It's a scrapbook gift brown craft decorate. So we're gonna use this in that little house bird. So now we're going to start gluing those little stars with the glue gun, one by one. Just a little tiny. Remember, this glue gun is really continue gluing those little stars. Split it. One gold, one silver. Okay. By one, a little. Start coming out. That's it. And one by one, all of them. Continue gluing all those little stars. One by one. Oh, it's going to come out beauty. Continue doing that. Guys, be careful with this glue because it will burn your finger, your hands, anything. It's so hot. We're almost there. Y va quedando. So now we're gonna use those the diamond wrap. You can buy this in any other store in our end. We're gonna start gluing it. I have a few already cut, so we'll continue doing this one. Then okay, I got a few already cut. I'm gonna show that star. Okay, put this here. We're gonna play a little bit, not a lot. gentle because the glue is everywhere. Glue and a lot of we'll be going all the way around little house. Same way with this diamond wrap. Finished the roof of the house already. It's in process, so almost done. We're almost done with that little birdhouse. So now we're going to cut this out. Little by little. Cut yourself. And you cover it up. It has to be perfect, but we'll cover that hole. Little hole. Keep the hole in there. You gotta be careful with this blaze. It's really sharp. Anybody can cut your finger or open your skin, so you gotta be careful. So when we're done here, we're gonna cover another spot next to the hole for the bird. So I can paint it. Yeah. See? So now we're gonna use this gemstone ribbon. Do a little bit more bigger than the one I have in here. It's different than this one. It's more bigger. So I'm gonna cut a little piece and go all the way around the hole for the birds so they can look nice and shine and bright. And we're almost done. So now we're gonna put this back here. So when the bird come in, it will look nice and shine. We're gonna just do a little bit right here. It's not necessary to use this kind of decoration, but you can use any other decoration to make the bird shine. So that's how it came out. That little bird house for the yard. So please, people, subscribe my channel. Thank you, and hit the bell and comment in my video if you like it. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.